so nice to get out of the car.
Happy 4th.
Happy 4th. Why not get to the desert?
We're spending our 4th of July driving.
Hey.
Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of
You're
miles.
How many more?
But by nightfall, we'll be to our destination and watch fireworks.
How many?
My hair. It's
Do you
like
think
crazy
baby's
from the
gonna
wind.
beat it?
Okay, for like a peanut butter and
Then this is strawberry.
strawberry.
That might be jam.
Is that for
Is it jelly
sandwiches or
it's jam. It's
toast?
strawberry jam.
We open way more.
Nope, it's strawberry jam.
You know what's weird is when we go out to eat, you like cheeseburgers, but when we're home, you don't like cheese on your burger.
Yeah. But that's not true. The McDonald's just make a better cheese.
Did you see that? Ma.
Better.
She got a mouthful of water out of her straw.
Are you drinking water there, babe?
Baby, so happy.
Are you playing with a straw wrapper? Hi. Hi. You have the most incredible eyes.
Why?
Are you ready for a break from the car? It is the 4th of July, so we're trying to get over to the other side of the desert where we're going to watch fireworks.
Come on.
Let's try
You
some.
come to me. I hold you for a second. Look, there she is. There she is.
All right, we're gonna go eat. Talk to you later. We're finally on the road again. We stopped in Burns, Oregon. We have about 80 miles left to go, and we will be at our destination out in the desert, and they're gonna be doing a huge fireworks display out in Christmas Valley. So super excited. There's some thunder boomers building, and it's really stormy looking out there, but super pretty, 95 degrees, and glad this part of the trip is almost done. We'll see you at fireworks. Going down the long road. We gotta go all the way down there. So she lives in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Hi, Newt. Are you guys out here with the ponies? Yeah. Hi, what are you doing out there in the sagebrush? Are you keeping your eyes peeled for rattlers? Oh, good. As I say that, something grabbed my foot and it was some sagebrush. Oh, God. It is so bright out here. Oh, little Finley. Finley.
Hey, look at you.
Hi. Hi. Ethan, get in the picture. Hi, babies. Hi. Your daddy doesn't know how to...
Do you hear the yolks? You getting?
Hi.
What? Your dad asked what?
Did you just say hi?
Hi.
Something.
She sees the horsies.
You see the ponies? Yeah.
Oh.
I got you.
Bah.
Little Miss Finley. Happy 4th of July, everybody.
Happy 4th.
Finley's like, happy
Happy
4th.